This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. A turquoise alert has been issued for Maricopa County. The Maricopa County Sheriff is looking for 13-year-old Raylan Phillips. Raylan is a white female, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 117 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Raylan was last seen leaving her residence on foot, December 26, 2025, at 10:30 a.m. near 182nd Avenue and West Puget Avenue. Raylan was last seen wearing pink pants, long black t-shirt, brown purse with sunflowers and skulls. Raylan suffers from a medical condition which may cause her to become lost or easily confused. Her family is concerned for his safety. Please call 911. If you have contact with the missing person, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.